Here in this video today, I'm going to show you how to find recently watched video on Facebook. If you have watched some video on your Facebook account and you would love to watch those videos again, here is how to find them. Firstly, launch the Facebook app on your phone. Click on the hamburger to the top right and scroll down to settings and privacy and click on it. Now you want to click on the settings. Scroll down the page until you get to Facebook activity log. On the Facebook activity log, you will see all activities on your Facebook account. So you need to click on the view task button to the top left and select the hamburger option to the top left of categories. Now go to log actions and other activity. Scroll down the page until you get to video you have watched and click on it. Now you see a list of all the videos you've recently watched on Facebook with dates on them. So scroll through the page and find the video you want to watch again. Let's say I want to watch the video I watched July 5. So I'll scroll to July 5 under activities log and click on the video. So you can see this video is logged. Only me can see it, so it's hidden from my timeline. So now you can do this again on your Facebook web. Open a browser, Edge web or Google Chrome, and go to facebook.com. Log into your Facebook account. Now click on the more options to the top right and click on desktop site. Tap your Facebook profile icon. Facebook profile icon. Now click on the more option adjacent to edit profile and click on activity log. Now you see you need to select an item to open. Now click on filter in front of activity log. Now scroll down the page and click on video you have watched. Then tap save changes. Now here you go. So take a look at the left screen. We see all the videos you recently watched. Then tap on any of the videos you want to watch again. Here you are. Then tap on the play button. You see the video is playing. So that is how to watch. That's how to rewatch video you favoritely watched on Facebook. Please, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, and if you don't want to miss our next update, kindly click on subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Thank you.